What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out the Adidas and Nike outlets over at Riverbanks in Marikina to be able to find good deals for back-to-school sneakers. Let's go! Before we get started with the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, it's Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia. They come out with excellent high-quality bracelets, amazing necklaces like this one made out of sterling silver with the one-winged angel kind of vibe. Reminds me of Sephiroth from Final Fantasy VII, one of the most kick-ass games ever made, by the way, which I heard will have a remake. But anyway, great news for you guys. I have a 30% discount for you. Check the link down below in the description box to see how you can avail of it. So when it comes to back-to-school sneakers, you're probably looking at two things. Number one, you're looking at budget, so it has to be budget-friendly. And number two, you have to find something that's durable. And that's the reason why I strongly recommend that you guys check out outlet stores when it comes to shopping for good deals. I would rather you guys actually buy low-cost, authentic, 100% legit sneakers from Nike and Adidas from the outlets as opposed to buying fakes that might even compromise your stability and your feet because they're not properly made. So having said that, let's go over some of the sneakers that I found. The first sneaker on my list is one of my all-time favorite sneakers when it comes to the balance of performance and stability. Of course, I'm talking about the Adidas Alpha Bounce. And the great news is that the Adidas Alpha Bounce Parley in blue and white is available at the outlet for just 3,710 pesos. Fresh look, clean white sneaker with accents of like mint blue. Super kick-ass, super comfortable, excellent cushioning. Perfect for all-day wear. Check it out, the Adidas Alpha Bounce Parley over at the outlet store. Now, speaking of Alpha Bounces, they have a variety of models of Alpha Bounces, one of which was the previous Alpha Bounce color, which comes in two like colorways. One is black and red, and the other one is white and gray. Now, this one sells for a little over 3,000 pesos as well, but the problem with this one is that the looks can be polarizing. I don't think everybody and anybody will just appreciate it, so you have to keep that in mind when you are thinking of buying it. It can be a head turner. Next, we have Boost equipped sneakers. We'll go through a bunch of them. The first one being the Solar Glide. This is like the little brother of the Solar Boost and the low Solar Boost Stability. Retains pretty much the same silhouette, but the upper is very different. While the Solar Boost had the more compact foot lockdown, this one's a little bit has a little more breathing room, and I think, I'm not sure if it has thinner boost, but I think it's the same. So this one sells for like 4,500 pesos in a very easy to wear black and white colorway. And of course, the ultimate, at least in my opinion, second only to the Alpha Bounce, back-to-school sneaker, the Pure Boost. The Pure Boost Go specifically. And there are three models available at the outlet stores. All of them sell for 4,200 pesos. First one, super easy to wear, black and white. Very simple, very straightforward. Second one, it's more of a red and blue. So something with a little more style, something with more accents. And lastly, it's a fresh all-white Pure Boost Go. The great thing about the Pure Boost Go is that it's built for city running. So if you want to buy like sneakers that you can also wear for running as well as athleisure, the Pure Boost Go is one fantastic shoe to pick. I'd caution against going the white version though because it gets dirty fairly easily, so you might want to go with the black and white Pure Boost Go. Now, if you have a little more budget and you want to maximize your investment, you can cop the Pure Boost RBL. It's kind of like an all-terrain Pure Boost, so it does have, I think, water resistant for the top. So since we are entering into the rainy season here in the Philippines, that might be important for you guys. This one though sells for a little less than 6,000 pesos, roughly around 5,900 pesos. If you're balling and you want to buy Ultra Boosts, Ultra Boost Mids, and Ultra Boost All-Terrains can be found in the outlet stores now, usually selling anywhere from 7,000 to 9,000 pesos depending on the model. I'd recommend that you guys go for this particular model, which comes in some sort of like gray and silver with a multicolored heel plate, because it just looks so different. That one sells for 7,000 pesos. Now, if you're looking for chunky sneakers, I have two recommendations. The first one being the Young 96. The Young 96, this particular model comes in all black. So it is the perfect all-day, everyday chunky beater sneaker. Sells for just 4,400 pesos. The Young 1 and the Young 96 are, for me, at least severely underrated when it comes to their comfort and the everyday wear value. So that one, guys, you might want to check out. Apart from that, we also have the Boost You Wear Bristol. This one is in a really nice blue and white, dark blue and white colorway. The Boost You Wear typically sells for like 8,000, 9,000, sometimes even 10,000 pesos. This one you can cop for just 5,800 pesos. But again, it's kind of like acquired taste because I don't think everybody can wear it and rock it. Depends on your overall style. Now, of course, you can go with the different campuses, Gazelle, Stan Smiths. I will no longer cover those in this vlog because those are the usual recommendations. All you guys have to do, go to the outlet. You should be able to cop them anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Now, if you cross from Adidas to Nike at the Marikina Riverbanks outlet, there are a few selections from the Nike outlet store that you might want to consider as well. By the way, if you guys missed my vlog on the beater and driving shoe shopping vlog for the Nike outlet, I will put the link down below in the description box as well as somewhere here in an iCard or something. So check that out if you guys haven't watched it yet. When it comes to Nike, the easy recommendations, obviously the Epic React Flyknits. The Epic React Flyknits are now on the outlet. They are superbly versatile when it comes to performance, running, working out, athleisure. Two colorways available. One is in a Vault Green colorway. Second one in a Molten Lava or like orange red colorway, selling around for around 5,000 pesos. If you are on a tighter budget, then go for the little brother, which is the Odyssey React. The Odyssey React sells anywhere from 4,700 to 5,000 pesos. That one comes in a green colorway with a yellow swoosh. Again, you have different options depending on your budget. Now, if you want a more classic silhouette, we have the Nike Cortez Leather. This is one of the sneakers that I considered for the Nike vlog that I did recently. This one sells for 3,000 pesos. We also have the Nike Cortez Forest Gump. I know a lot of ladies love that sneaker. A lot of ladies buy it usually. So this one is already in the outlet. Again, sells for just 3,000 pesos. And lastly, we have the Element React 55. React as technology is really perfect for people who are on the go, who are always walking, who are always running up and down school. So you might want to consider that one. Sells for around 5,000 pesos as well. Those are just some of the recommendations of sneakers that you guys can find over at the outlet stores over at Riverbanks. Ultimately, I guess my main suggestion or main advice is for you to check out the outlet stores more than buying fakes or even buying like new releases that are general release sneakers. The reality is some of the sneakers that you see in shelves right now over at Nike and Adidas will be available at the outlet store in a few months' time. So if you are on a tight budget, if you want to care for the money that your parents are spending on you, then please do check out the outlet stores instead of going for full retail prices. Apart from that, you can also check out like buying and trading second-hand stores such as Cop Garden. They have fantastic deals for used Ultra Boosts ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 pesos. So excellent deals all around. Now, before we end the vlog, I just have two things. Number one, let me remind you that we are giving away Apple AirPods 2. So to be able to join on the giveaway, you guys have to subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to follow Pound It on Instagram. And then you have to click the link down below to see the rest of the mechanics on how we are giving away the new Apple AirPods 2nd generation. Definitely a great addition to your everyday tech arsenal. Make sure that you guys join. Lastly, of course, we have our power up words of wisdom for the day. And this part, I'd like to talk to the people who are having doubts about reaching their goals. Guys, here's the reality. Everything you need to succeed, everything you need to be able to hit those goals, everything you need is already inside of you. You just have to get them out. You just have to put in the work and you just have to put in the hours. Sure, you will fail. Sure, you will make mistakes. But you have to get yourself up, dust off whatever's there, and just keep on moving forward. Because again, everything that you need to succeed is already inside of you. With that said, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of today's vlog in the comment section down below. Also, quick shout out to Will Dasovich for this really nice cap that I got from him. By the way, guys, we did a collab video before. If you haven't watched it yet, I will put the link down below so you can check it out. We went through his entire sneaker collection in that vlog. That said, peace, God bless, what's up, you guys know it, boom.